In this video, I'll show you how to enable syntax highlighting in the Nano text editor on Ubuntu. Nano is a simple command line text editor. By default, it does not highlight code, which can make it harder to read. But enabling syntax highlighting is quick and easy. First, open your terminal. We'll begin by checking if the syntax files are already on your system. These files are included in the Nano package, but they may not be set up yet. Type this command and press. Enter sudo nano /etc/nanoc. This opens the main configuration file for Nano. Now scroll down through the file using the arrow keys. You'll see several lines that start with the word include but have a hash symbol at the beginning. These lines are commented out. Each line tells Nano to load syntax rules for a specific type of file, like Python or HTML. To enable them, remove the hash symbol at the beginning of each include line. You can also just enable the ones you need. For example, to enable highlighting for Python and HTML only, remove the hash symbol from those two lines. Once you're done editing, press Ctrl+O to save the file. Then press Enter to confirm. Now press Ctrl+X to close the editor. Now, Nano will use syntax highlighting when you open files that match the rules. You should now see color-coded syntax inside Nano. That's it. Syntax highlighting is now working in Nano on your Ubuntu system. Thanks for watching.